So, panibagong online job na naman ang pag-uusapan natin, but this time, it's read aloud and earn, or tinatawag natin na narration online jobs. Kaya in this video guys, hindi ko lang isi-share sa inyo yung mga websites kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply. Isi-share ko rin sa inyo, of course, yung mga points na kailangan nating alamin bago natin pasukin itong online job na ito. And syempre, importante pag-usapan yan kasi para malaman natin kung perfect ba ito sa atin o hindi. Kaya bago tayo magsimula, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking YouTube channel for more videos like this.
Narration online jobs, and here you can earn using your voice from home. This is a beginner guide plus application links, and of course, disclaimer, no instant income promises. Apply safely through official links, at ibibigay ko sa inyo later yan. So on the next page, pag-usapan natin what are narration online jobs. So simple meaning lang naman ito is you get paid for recording your voice. You read scripts, books, prompts, lessons, ads, or character lines. You submit clean audio files online. Clients may pay per project, per finished hour, per task, or per approved recording. Depende sa mapag-uusapan nyo kung paano yung payment terms ninyo. Best for people who can speak clearly and follow instructions. Not necessarily, guys, na voice actor ka. Basta, very clear lang yung pananalita ninyo, and of course, yung pronunciation nyo is neutral siya. Okay, so let's be transparent. Important truth first. This is a real skill, not instant cash. Hindi ito basta-basta online job lang. It requires a real skill from you, real output. And of course, not guaranteed. You still need demos, auditions, and approval. Just like when you're applying sa trabaho, pero this one is much of a higher standard kasi nga, sino-showcase mo yung boses mo. And this is a beginner-friendly. You can start practicing with basic tools. Country varies. Some platforms depend on location and open projects. Depende rin sa anong klaseng boses yung kailangan na magsalita dito, anong klaseng accent, anong language, and of course, safety first. Importante yan. Every time you look for an online job, never pay random recruiters to get hired. So here are the 5 types of narration jobs. So you have to pick one path first. Do not apply anywhere blindly. So number 1 is audiobook narration. Number 2, voiceover. Number 3 is e-learning. More on, narrative, ganyan. And next is voice data recording. And of course, for number 5 is character or creative roles. Best starting point for beginners. So, start with short recordings before long audiobooks. So, mga ganun lang muna ang target natin. Voice data recording, yan yung may mga short prompts and clear instructions. You can also do YouTube narration, short scripts, often 3 to 10 minutes. Diba alam na natin yung may mga voice-over na vlogs? If you're familiar with Zach D. Films, diba? Mga ganong klaseng video yan siya. And of course, audiobooks, ito na yung bigger project kasi you have to narrate, chapters or even the whole novel. Here's what you need to start. So, simple setup muna, upgrade kapag may clients na. First is you need to have a quiet room. No fan noise, no echo, no barking from the kapitbahay, and no videoke. Microphone, USB mic or good phone mic for practice. Next is headphones. Check noise, clicks, and mistakes. So, syempre naman guys, diba, before we send yung ating output is i-edit din natin yan sa editor. So, pwede nating i-cut yung mga hinga or i-silent yung mga part na yon. So, doon, magagamit nyo talaga yung inyong headphones. Of course, the recorder. You have here some tools like Audacity, CapCut Audio, or even a phone recorder. You also need to prepare your demo samples if you're really into this type of online job, guys, 30 to 60 seconds per style. Email plus profile. Kailangan ninyo ng platform kung saan doon yung mamamarket yung inyong talent or even doon kayo matatagpuan ng inyong magiging client. So, use a professional name and photo. So, ito guys, bigyan ko kayo ng idea for voice samples. So, make 3 voice samples. Una is storytelling or audiobook. Ang magiging approach natin dito is warm, natural, and steady pace. Number 2 is commercial or YouTube intro. So, ito yung parang mga jet to holiday, yung mga ganun ba? Ayan, energetic, clear, and confident. And number 3 is e-learning or tutorial. So, ang approach dyan is calm, professional, and easy to understand. Isa sa pinaka-inaabangan sa video na to, saan tayo pwedeng mag-apply. So for audiobook, ito yung mga platforms na available, and this is even available, guys, for our international viewers as well. ACX. So here you have to create profile, upload samples, and audition for audiobook projects. We also have here Voices by InAudio. So here is for audiobook production naman siya or distribution ecosystem. So you can also check their current options sa kanilang website. So guys, makikita ninyo yung website dito sa baba. And you can just, take a screenshot and i-capture nyo na lang yan. I-copy nyo yung link and i-paste nyo sa inyong web browser. Diretso na yan, guys, sa recruitment page. I would like to let you know, guys, that you have to understand na hindi ako basta-basta pwedeng magpakita ng procedures sa inyo kung paano mag-apply. Kasi si Tito YouTube, dyan ako nadali before. Kaya medyo nag-lie-low tayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. And I don't want that to happen again. Kasi, syempre, matitigil yung pag-share natin ng mga opportunities dito sa mga viewers natin, di ba? Hindi na makatarungan ng sahuran dito sa Pilipinas, kaya kailangan talaga natin maghanap ng client abroad at masahuran ng tama, okay? I-check nyo na lamang yung mga links dito na nakikita sa inyong screen at kayo na ang dumiskarte paano nyo i-paste yan sa browser ninyo. So ito naman yung mga companies kung saan kayo mag-apply for voice-over marketplaces. So ito yung mga advertisement, explainer videos, YouTube, e-learning, and more. Okay? Content creation, kasama na rin yan dyan. So, we have here 3 companies. Una is Voices. So, mga voice-over, voice AI, and voice data jobs. Next is Voice 123, create a talent profile, and audition. And for the last one here, we have is Bodalgo, voice-over casting marketplace naman yan siya. So, may magtatanong yan kasi may AI tayong nakita. Pwede bang gumamit na lamang ng AI? So, it depends sa client na makukuha ninyo. Pwede rin naman na if they're comfortable na maggawa ka using AI, then if ina-allow nila yun, then why not? This is more on, ano na lang yan siya, AI output. Okay? AI project yan siya. Pero, some companies, some clients still look for real human voices. Kaya, you still have to be prepared and ayusin mo yung boses mo, yung pronunciation mo, kung akma sa inyo yung project na yun, well, that's good. Okay? So, here are the websites, guys, sa baba. Diretso na yan, guys, no, sa careers page ng bawat isang website. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, AI. Ito na, where to apply AI voice data. A short voice recording task for speech technology. Ito na yung gumagamit ng AI. We have here OneForma, search audio recording, or data collection projects. So, OneForma, ilang beses na natin yan, alam niyo guys, sinishare dito sa ating YouTube channel. And dito talaga is yung mga AI projects dyan natin makukuha, no? And also, we have Telus AI, another AI platform. Here, you can check AI community and data collection roles. And of course, meron din tayo ditong Data Force for speech or audio projects by TransPerfect. And here, guys, again, may kita nyo yung websites dito sa ating slide. You can screenshot and i-paste nyo na lamang yan sa inyong web browser. Okay, so for freelance platforms na ito, guys, where to apply? Dito tayo sa mga marketplaces na kung saan isu-search nyo yung keyword ng inyong online job. So this time, this is for voiceover narrator, ganyan, and voice acting online jobs, okay? So we have here the platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Casting Call Club. So may kita din natin dito sa Casting Call Club that they are beginner-friendly creative audition. So, may kita nyo naman, guys, again, yung links dito sa baba. Bisitahin nyo lahat yan. Mag-apply kayo isa-isa sa mga websites na yan. So, for voice talent rosters naman, guys, ito yung mga companies na kung saan pwede kayong mag-submit ng application. Voice Archive, Voice Talent Online, The Voice Realm, and Bunny Studio. So, i-search nyo na lamang yung mga yan. I-take note ninyo yung mga sub-points din na makikita dito sa ating screen. Before applying, here's your profile checklist. Of course, first is you need to have a clear profile name and professional email. Provide a short bio na merong voice style, language, and turnaround time. So, ito yung pinaka-portfolio mo na, which is yung 3 demo samples mo for story, commercial, and tutorial. For working environment, again, quiet room recording with no background noise. So, a simple portfolio link, pwedeng Google Drive, YouTube Unlisted, or website, na kung saan share mo yung multimedia website mo. So, for website, guys, I always suggest Renny AI, kasi doon is mag-input na lang kayo ng mga media files ninyo, yung mga YouTube Unlisted video nyo, pwede nyong isend dito sa inyong website. Magkakaroon na kayo ng sariling website without, programming or whatsoever. Kaya you can also give that one a try. Renny AI, may kita dyan sa description box yung link. So here is a demo sample formula. You need to take note of this because here are the things that you have to consider, okay? So length is 30 to 60 seconds per sample is enough for beginners. Of course, for file name, you have to rename it properly as well. Wag yung mga digit, code na ganyan. Audio rule, no music if they only ask for a raw voice. Raw voice naman talaga para ma-judge nila kung maganda ba yung quality ng iyong pananalita. Okay, ito na. Isa sa mga pinaka-nakakatuwang moment natin sa video na to. Sige, sample script. Commercial. Pwede nyo ring i-post tong video na to at subukan ninyo. So, ako muna. Nakakahiya. Ano ba yan? So, ang tone natin dito is dapat friendly, confident, warm, and clear. Jet2 holiday dapat ang panghuhugutan natin dito, ha? Looking for a simple way to learn new skills from home? Start today. Practice daily and build your online career one step at a time. Sample lang natin yan siya, ha? Ay, parang may future ako dito. Matry nga minsan. Okay, so this one naman, a sample script, story narration. So, ang ating tone dito is steady, emotional, natural, and not rushed. Di nagmamadali. Ganon. The rain tapped softly on the window as Maya opened the old letter. She did not know it yet, but that morning would change everything. Hindi ako ganong magaling sa story narration. Inaamin ko naman yun. Wag niyo akong i-bash. Ito na. Another sample script. Sana ginagawa niyo rin to, guys, ha? Pause niyo yung video, tapos itry niyo rin. In this lesson, we will learn... ito, parang mga tono ko to, diba? Sa mga videos natin, ganito ang ginagawa natin. Teacher, like, clear, calm, and easy to follow. Parang common na to. In this lesson, we will learn the 3 basic steps of creating a clean voice recording. Prepare your room, test your microphone, and review your audio. Diba? Parang natural to sa akin. I'm more on e-learning lang talaga siguro. Kasi yun ginagawa ko dito sa mga YouTube videos natin, diba? Okay ako sa commercial, okay rin ako sa e-learning para mas confident ako dito. Okay, so here are the keywords to search sa mga job sites na kung saan man kayo dalhin. Ayan. So, sa Online Jobs PH, sa Upwork, sa Fiverr. Ito yung mga SEO-friendly na talaga makakahanap ka ng tapat na client. Pero still, mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung mga red flags sa mga online jobs, okay? So, here is the application message template. So, bahala na kayo kung gusto nyo itong i-apply din sa sarili ninyo, or you can also ask for ChatGPT for an application message template. Pero just keep it simple and precise. Okay? So, ito sample lang naman ito. Siyempre, isa sa mga importante pag-usapan natin yung mga payment expectation. So, some jobs, pay per project or per approved recording. Some audiobook jobs pay only after production approval. Some platforms require auditions before you get hired. Do not expect daily income in the beginning kasi project-based lang talaga yan siya. Focus first on quality demos and consistent applications. Okay, so yan yung mga kailangan yung i-expect para, alam niyo yun, hindi tayo nagkakapaan. Sasabihin nyo kay Jaisal Rivera, sus, nagbigawan naman ng video yan, hindi naman talaga na sasabihin kung ganito yung mga kailangan nating gawin. Akala ko talagang sure hire na ako dito, hindi naman talaga. Akala ko lagi may project, ganito, ganyan. Marami ako naririnig na ganyan, kaya ito na, sinasabi ko na sa inyo yung kailangan i-expect ninyo. At syempre, hindi mawawala sa video natin ng mga scam checklist. Hindi magkukulang si Jaisal De Vera sa paalala sa inyo dahil marami nang naglipa ng masasamang tao sa mundong ito. So, ito na, ang mga scam checklist. Number 1, they ask for upfront fee to release salary. Naku! Ito yung pinakamasakit sa lahat. Alam nyo yung pagod ka na sa paggawa ng first project mo and then sisingilin ka pa. Red flag yan. So, ang magandang gawin nyo dyan, mag-move on na kayo. Mag-apply kayo sa ibang company. Next, they only message on Telegram or WhatsApp and avoid official platform. So, importante talaga na meron silang solid website na merong magandang domain. Next, they promise huge income for simple reading tasks like, is this it's easy money. Hindi. Walang ganon. So, dapat may discernment kayo if ever yung pinapagawa is realistic or not. Proteksyonan ninyo ang inyong identity. Huwag kayo basta-bastang magbibigay ng ID or payment details before any official contract. So, for the last one, they send suspicious links or file. Naku, diyan kayo mag-ingat. Baka pasukin nila yung inyong platform. At pag pinasok nila yung platform po ng inyong computer, sila na ang kokontrol dyan sa loob ng yan. Naku, meron kaming mga ganyang experience lalo na sa mga content creators na kunyari may sponsor mag-aalok ng ganitong project and then magsisend ng link sa amin at yun daw yung ipopromote namin na kailangan naming i-download. Tapos pag din-download namin, magkakaroon siya ng access sa mga social media platforms namin at after that, nahack na yung aming bank account, nahack na rin yung aking Google AdSense. So yun yung masakit na mangyari, Day. Kaya ikaw, kahit hindi ka content creator, huwag kayo basta-basta mag-click ng link kasi baka yung mga digital bank ninyo na naka-engrave dyan sa inyong computer is baka makuha nila yung balance ninyo, Day. Okay, so this is a 7-day beginner action plan para hindi kayo magkandaligaw-ligaw sa pag-apply ng trabaho online. Sundin nyo na lamang yan day 1 to day 7 natin. Okay, so there you go, guys. For final reminder, makikita nyo na lamang yung mga bagay na pinag-usapan natin. Summary na lamang yan. And I hope nakatulong sa inyo itong pinag-usapan natin in today's video or webinar. And yeah, kung umabot ka sa punto ng video na to, thank you so much. And mag-comment ka dyan sa baba just in case lang na meron kayong katanungan. Sasagutin ko yan, of course, pag alam ko ang sagot.
Yun lang naman, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. And kung na-enjoy nyo ito, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga uploads. So, have a nice day. God bless and goodbye!